personally, I recommended to them to start the online, because online is get more opportunity for the parents. It means, the person at home, he can do whatever he want to do himself also, and the kids, they can do their own work, because they don't need to, the worry about the time and the traffic and the weather, and for this disease also, about the coronavirus is going on. So you never know how you'll be met, that when they are at school, because the parents, they come together. So I recommend for the people to starting for online. They provide the good idea, because the teachers and the people trained for the kids, all of them, they are growing up here, or they speak the same language the kids, because some of parents, they can't speak English. So I think even some of the other cultures people, they know the Quran, alhamdulillah, mashallah, they know the Quran, but they need the kids communication. They give them aqidah, they give some translate for the Quran and hadith, and and also they teaching the kids actions of the how is happening when the Sahaba and Muhammad alayhi, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how they dealing the familiar, or I prefer the kids to bring the Greenland Mosque, or same like the Greenland mosques, because the kids, they need someone can understand, and they can understand also. It's very good idea to learn the online for the kids.